How to get old photos from iCloud. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to get old photos from iCloud. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just head over to our iCloud on our phone. So usually you have the screen right here. Make sure that iCloud backup is turned on and also that your photos is turned on using the iCloud backup. So once you have those things on your iPhone, you can proceed on your computer just like mine and then head over to icloud.com. Now once you've head over to icloud.com, what you need to do is to just sign into your account using the login credentials that you have. Now I already signed in on mine, so what I need to do is I can just explore in here. So if we want to actually get old photos from iCloud, that just means that you've already backed up it. Now once you have already backed up something, what you need to do is just scroll down on icloud.com until you can see these photos right here. So just click on photos right here, and then usually you can see here all the photos that you have. Now since I've already deleted photos of mine, it will no longer appear on the iCloud photos, but if you have backed up some photos on your iCloud, it will usually appear in here, and then once you can see it, you can now restore it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get old photos from iCloud. If you have comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!